In this video, we're going to be talking about how to enroll in UMB Online Banking. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, if you haven't already downloaded and installed the application and opened it, simply go ahead and do that. And now on your screen, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on New User on the bottom, and you're going to be taken to this window right over here. Now, once you're in this window, they're going to let you choose between a personal bank and a business bank. You can simply go ahead and select all that, enter your account number, enter your last 5 digits of your social security number, your zip code, your street address, and click on continue. Once you do that, they're going to send you a verification code to the mobile number that is associated with your bank account. And when you enter your verification code into the application, they're going to let you create your user ID and password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything you needed to know. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.